In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up homepage on Notion. Welcome back and thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create a simple, clean, and personalized Notion homepage that can act as your daily command center. This page will serve as your launchpad, giving you quick access to the things that matter most, whether that's projects, notes, or ongoing tasks. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation that you can continue improving over time. To get started, navigate to Notion Home. This is the central area of your workspace and the perfect place to begin building a homepage that reflects how you work. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to create a new page. When you click it, you'll see a blank page appear. Think of this as your canvas. From here, you're free to design a space that supports your workflow instead of slowing you down. Now let's focus on making your homepage visually appealing and easy to recognize. At the top of the page, add a cover image. The cover acts as the background behind your page title and helps define the overall feel of your homepage. Notion provides a variety of built-in cover options, but you can also upload your own image if you have a specific aesthetic or theme in mind. Choose something that feels motivating or calming, depending on how you want your workspace to feel when you open it. Next, add an icon to your page. Icons may be small, but they make a big difference visually. They help your page stand out in your sidebar and make it easier to recognize at a glance. Notion offers a wide selection of emojis and icons to choose from. You can go with something simple or something expressive. The important thing is that it feels right for the purpose of your homepage. Once your cover and icon are in place, you've already set up the core of your Notion homepage. From here, remember that this page is not static. It's meant to evolve as your needs change. You can continue building on it by adding sections for projects, links to important pages, or areas for quick notes. Over time, you may find yourself refining the layout to better match how you think and work. Your Notion homepage should feel useful, inviting, and personal. Don't be afraid to adjust it regularly. Small tweaks can make a big difference in how efficient and organized you feel each day. With these simple steps, you've created a strong starting point for a homepage that truly works for you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.